This is a little demo of my extension that I vibe coded over the weekend. This has been fun. So I've been wanting to bring the Dia sidebar into Arc or something similar with just a little bit of functionality. I don't need all the cool tools it has. I just need to be able to chat with the content on a page. So I built this little extension. When you trigger it, it'll push the content if it can. If it can't, it'll overlay it. And you can chat with the page you're on. This does require you to input an API key for OpenAI, or if, like me, you run an LLM Studio local server, you can connect that to the sidebar. For example, I'm on the GitHub page for this. I can ask it, is this repo private or public? Let's fix the typo. The repo is public, okay. Can you summarize what it does? Uh, There we go. So LLamB is an extension that is an AI chat sidebar that allows users to interact with LLMs while browsing web pages. Key features include a floating window, support for OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, and LM Studio, honestly, Ollama as well. A plugin system for functionality. Yeah, so I started building a plugin system. This is still in the works. I'm trying to see if I can have it extract the subtitles from YouTube videos so that you can chat with the when you're watching a video, you can actually ask questions about the video. That's not working yet. It's still in the works. Persistent history, it stores the history within the extension. So I can click here and see different histories, different chats that I have, and you can reload them if you'd like. You can see here it keeps the URL of the page you're on when you're chatting on a page, and also takes notice of your selection. So on here, if I were to select this text, then that gets added to the chat specifically, so you can chat with the page and this text. Now let's go to some different features. It supports history. You can restart the chat if you like. You can have dark mode, light mode. You can turn it into a window. I use that on YouTube because it doesn't push the YouTube page out of the screen. Okay, so I remove the selection, and this still works. You can close it like that as well. You have the setting window and the settings. Sorry, let's move that in here in the video. In the settings, you have a few different things you can do. You have your plugins. This doesn't work right now, so please don't bother using it. It's not working yet. You have my LM Studio server, and right now I'm testing OpenAI. You have actions. I'll show you that in a second, but when you start a new chat, there's a few suggestions like summarize this page, explain selected text, or what's happened, what is this page about. These are just simple prompts that you can create, and you can add your own to have it use as a starting point. Let me show you actually. Go to The Verge. You go to theverge.com, you open an article. Let's see, Google gets to keep Chrome, judge rules and search. Perfect. So you open the sidebar and you can say, give me the key takeaways from this article. That's one of those actions. And I'll summarize those key takeaways. That's the sidebar. You can see more like that. And it's kind of dark in here. Let's go dark mode. All right. So you could either read the not so long article or read the very long summary. That prompt probably needs some work. But that's basically it. Very simple little extension. I'm building this for fun because I want to use it. It's probably buggy. I've vibe coded 100% of it with Cloud Code. So use at your own risk. If you'd like to open a pull request to add some features, feel free. I'll review and maybe I'll merge it in, or maybe I won't. We'll see. But yeah, I'm doing this for fun. I enjoy using Arc a lot, but find myself switching to Dia to use the AI chat when I'm doing some research or working on a project and I want to quickly summarize a page or find something, right? So I'm gonna keep building onto this. This comes from the fact that I've been making a bunch of little AI applications. I have the my chat application that I have in the App Store right now, the Three Sparks Chat app. It works on iOS. It allows me to connect to my LM Studio server when I'm not home using Tailscale. So again, I've been trying to make a lot of little AI apps. I also have a terminal powered LLM tool, which is a console line chat client that works as well. You can install it in PM. So yeah, I'm really enjoying building those little AI chat clients. And the TSparks chat app is pretty good. You should check it out if you run your own LLM server. I suggest running that. Get it on the App Store and use that in combination with Tailscale to access your LLM when you're not home. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks.